Welcome to our guide on playing Genshin Impact on a Chromebook in 2025. Let's dive into why this game has captured the hearts of millions. Before we get started, let's discuss Chromebook compatibility and its limitations when gaming. First, we need to set up a Google Play Store account on your Chromebook. It's simple and quick. Now, let's download Genshin Impact from the Play Store so you can start your adventure. To ensure smooth gameplay, we'll optimize your Chromebook settings for gaming performance. For enhanced features, using an Android emulator can elevate your gaming experience even further. Setting up a keyboard and mouse can greatly improve your controls in the game. Let's get that configured. Sometimes issues arise during gameplay. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems you might face. Here are some tips to maintain performance during your gameplay sessions for the best experience. In conclusion, playing Genshin Impact on your Chromebook can be a fantastic experience if you follow these steps. Happy gaming!